The Secret Covenant. Hey, let's talk about something that might sound crazy. This might sound wild, but hear me out. Imagine there's this plan so big, so detailed, and so well hidden, that most people wouldn't even notice it. If someone did notice and tried to talk about it, they'd probably be called crazy. It's all about keeping us distracted. The people behind this plan? They work hard to look like they're not even connected. Different faces. Different names. Different companies. But it's all coordinated. They move slow, real slow, so no one suspects a thing. That way, the changes feel natural. Like they've always been there. They use what they know, and keep us in the dark. They've got knowledge, real deep stuff. Science, tech, medicine. But they don't share it with us. Instead, they use it to control things. Make us think they're helping, while they're actually doing the opposite. Poison in the everyday. They put weird stuff in our food, water, and even the air. Soft metals. Chemicals. Things that mess with our minds and bodies. Then they act like they've got the cure. Spoiler, the cure is more poison. It's everywhere, and we're told it's normal. We're surrounded. It's in the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the stuff we breathe. And they make it look cool. Funny ads, cute jingles, trusted faces. Even celebrities push their products. We never stop to think, what is this stuff doing to us? They start with the kids. It starts early. Sugar, shots, and smiles. Kids love sweet stuff, right? So that's how it begins. Later, when their teeth rot, they fill them with metal. Not just any metal, stuff that messes with your brain. Medicine that doesn't heal. When people get sick, they give them pills. The pills don't fix the real issue. They make you worse. Then, more pills. More symptoms. More money in their pocket. They want us weak, tired, and sad. Keep us distracted and disconnected. They point our focus on stuff that doesn't matter. Money. Status. Stuff. They fill our lives with noise, sex, TV, games, so we never stop to think. Never feel what's real. Never connect with each other, or ourselves. If you can't control the mind, control the environment. They use fear. It's the easiest way to keep people in line. Scared people are easier to control. They run both sides of every argument. Left and right. Red and blue. It's all the same playbook. Work, obey, repeat. We work. They profit. We pay. They grow richer. They'll make sure their families stay on top, and ours stay divided. Wars? They start them when it suits their bottom line. They'll even turn us against each other. Beliefs that divide. They use religion and dogma to keep us apart. They tell us what to believe, what to think, what's good and what's bad. All while pretending it's our own choice. Silence the light. If someone speaks up, they'll make them a joke. Or worse. If someone brings truth, they'll do whatever it takes to stop them. Hate is their favorite tool. Hate blinds people. Makes them easier to trick. The rulers stay hidden. The real power? They stay invisible. While we fight, they thrive. They feed off the chaos. Off our sadness. Off our blood. And we don't even know they're there. It's a game we don't know we're playing. They use our work to build their empire. They use our entertainment to dull our senses. They use our laws to box us in. Bit by bit, they tighten the cage, and we think we're free. A dangerous truth. Here's the thing, if we ever wake up, if we ever realize that we're the same, that we've been tricked, that we've got the power, they're finished. And they know it. That's why they keep the illusion going. The final warning. They swore never to speak of it. Never to write it down. Because if it's ever exposed, if the truth spreads, everything changes. They fear that moment more than anything. This is their secret covenant. You're not crazy for wondering if something's off. You're not alone. And maybe, just maybe, that's exactly what they're afraid of.